Hello guys. Today's video is just gonna be me showing you a picture of my bird. That's pretty much it. If I can find it. Here it is. I think this should be. No! That's not my bird! Okay. I'm sorry guys, but that wasn't a picture of my bird. That was something else that you weren't supposed to see. Here's my bird. No! Where's my bird? I'm sorry again. This third picture should be my bird. Yeah, I'm positive it's my bird. Here. No! That's not my bird! This next picture should be my bird. If it's not, I'm going to commit a war crime! Okay. Yeah, it's my bird. Thank you for watching.